error and their parts. So now we'll take a 10-minute break, and then we'll start a data collection, how to collect the data, what are their types. So we'll start it after 10 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So refers to number of items to be selected for from the universe to constitute a sample, and this is a major issue in the research. So why this is important? Because deciding sample size is a major concern, and the sample size should not be too big and expensive or too small, unreliable. So it should be optimum balance between for their efficiency, reliability, and cost. So you must consider different points, how varied the population is, and the total population size, how much money you have, and how accurate you need to need the results to be. So these are the points which needs to be considered when we are selecting the sample size. So next is determination of sample size. How to determine the sample population? So sample size means how many people you include in your study. Researchers choose based on their age, gender, location. These are the points. Is your the total number of person item you selected. So this is your sample size. So next is the terms associated with sample size determination. So before we are going to determine the sample size, so first we have to know what are the different terms we use in the sample size determination. So first is the population size. Population size means population size is the how many people fit your demographic, or how many people matches your criteria. So this is the population size. Next is the confidence level. So confidence level means how sure you are that your results are accurate. Usually if we are going to conduct a research, so we should confident that our result should be 95 or 99% accurate. So this is the confidence level. Next is the margin of error. So the margin of error means the difference between uh, like uh, the actual value, the true value, and the confidence level. So this is the margin of error. So how much differences you accept between your sample results? Like you're accepting 95% confident that our result will be true, and the true population value. For example, it should be more or less 5% margin. Results can be off by 5%. So it depends how much you sure related to your um, results. So this is difference is called as margin of error and confidence interval. Next is data collection. So this is the important part, and data collection is the organized process of obtaining data and measuring information on variables of interest so that questions can be answered and outcomes evaluated. So data collection is organizing, gathering of information on what you want to study, uh, um, and so you are answer a research question. So this is the important part. So how we can collect data? So in the very first class, I already discussed there are different methods to collect the data. Like first is the primary data collection, and the second one is the secondary data. Secondary data means which are already available in the public domain in form of published literature or unpublished literature. So both type of literature are part of secondary data. And the primary data means if you are going to conduct a research in field or in laboratory, so the actual data which we are collecting from the research trial. So this is called as a primary data. So what is the purpose of purpose of data collection in research? So to get the evidence for drawing correct conclusion and testing ideas. So data collection is required, and data can be in both form, in number form as a quantitative data, or in form of like description or stories as a qualitative data. So there are two different type of like data. Next one is a observation. Observation is a part of data collection, and this is the part of primary data collection. So observation means the researcher watches and record what is happening, um, without asking the people, and like for example, instead of asking what watch do you wear. So this is the part of observation, and the researcher just look at the